Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys an easy fix for your Instagram. So for instance, everyone's been getting these new updates, these new features, but you're not getting them on the app. And that is basically because you have like a lot of accounts. Sometimes it happens to me, I have a lot of accounts, so it's only updated on one of the accounts and the rest is still the same. I wish I could show you, but I don't really want to show my main profile and I'm too lazy to blur it out. But anyways, this is what you can do if, for instance, you've updated it through the App Store or the Play Store or whatever phone you use. Basically, you need to update it in your Instagram account. So go to your profile page. So hit that like bottom right corner of your screen, and then you are going to select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen to settings and activity. And as you can see, under time management, there is an update Instagram bar here, this one, and there's like a blue dot. It says Instagram is now easier to navigate. Access Reels and messages from anywhere. Reels and messages are now front and center in the navigation bar. To be honest, I don't really like that update, but I'm gonna just show it to you guys anyways because I'm not used to DMs being like in the like navigation bar. And then introducing swiping. Now you can swipe between your favorite spaces, including Reels and camera. Updating will change your navigation and restart your app. You won't be able to switch back after updating. So you have the option to update, but you will get new features if you choose to update. So again, here is the like fix if maybe your Instagram has been updated through an app store, but it is still the same. So you're going to do that and you're going to select update now. I'm just going to take a screenshot because I need to for my thumbnail, so sorry about that. Select update now. And then it's going to restart, and then you're going to select got it. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Again, it's in the three lines here, and it will show up if there is an update in the app. If there's no update, it's not going to show up. Like right now, I've already updated it, so it's not going to show up again, but when there is an update, it will show up. So if you have trouble like updating your Instagram and nothing's like changed, you're going to do it through the app itself and it's going to update it through the app. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I think I already said that. But if you do have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also comment what you want the next tutorial to be. Again, it could be anything except for like, I don't know, like heavy video editing. I'm not really good at that, but thank you so much for watching. Bye.